Hmm. चलो फिर।
Hello everyone, my name is Pratik and today I am going to tell you about our Indian global satellite positioning system. This is what the news by which you will get proud to India. The India is going to launch by 2016 Indian Desi satellite global positioning system. So earlier we used to use the GPS system provided by US governments. So at the time of Kargil war and national disaster, we used to be dependent on the US based GPS global positioning system. But now Indian Research Space Organization is going to release India's first satellite based positioning system, which is known as IRNSS. It's Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System. It is totally 7 satellites they are going to launch, and this service will be available by July 2016. So till now we have 7 satellites we have already launched in the global. So these 7 satellites are 1A, 1B, 1C, and 1D. So this was started in 2013 from Bangalore, the main office of ISRO in Bangalore. They have made this first satellite 1A, which was cost around 125 crore. So this was launched in July 2013. Then they have launched second satellite in 4th April 2014, and then third in 16 October 2014, and in fourth they launched on 28 March 2015. So by the 2016 they are going to launch 3 more satellites, like in 1E in January, 1F February, and 1G in March. So these 3 months, 3 satellites, totally 7 satellites we have for our own global positioning system. Then afterwards, we don't have to dependent on the US global positioning system. So other companies also have the satellite-based positioning system. Like we have US GPS, which covers 31 satellites over the globe. It is based on the AMIO plane. Then Europe is also having Galileo, but it is not fully developed. They are going to launch by 2020. And then Russia is having the as competitive as GPS. It called known as Global Navigational Positioning System. So they have 24 satellites, and China is having Beidou satellite system. So it has only 2 satellites compared to India has 7 satellites. So India is providing IRNS is providing 2 types of services, like standard positioning services and restricted services. Standard positioning services is given to all the mobile users and all the common users that can use for navigation and mobile search and maps and street view and road maps. For this standard positioning system, the standard positioning system is giving S band. So S band is having 2.4 megahertz frequency. Along with this, mobile code can be included into the user's mobile, and they can also have L band. So this will be providing L band as well as S band. So L band is 1.1 gigahertz, and S band is 2.4 gigahertz. So these two types of services will be provided with the standard positioning system services for the common users. But this is restricted services only for the army and defense defense army. They are going to use this restricted services. This is only for them. This is not for common users. So by this, we will be the third largest country who will having their own satellite-based positioning system. Like right now, we have US GPS and Russia's GLONASS, which is working. But in 2016, we will have our own Desi global positioning satellite system. Thank you for watching the video and listening to me. Thank you very
Now,
much.
now.